How you doing? I am still continuing this with all this stuff all over the place. I just want to get as much stuff out of here. So I'm going to just keep getting it out. All right. Like I said, I'm just going to keep randomly grabbing stuff. Okay. Ooh. Eternatus. Some people say Eternatus. Some people say Eternatus. I couldn't believe how much these were. They were $39.98. I was like, wow. But that card right there, I don't know if you can see it or not. That card right there is worth a fortune. It's a really good playing card too. So let's see here. Let's see what else I can grab off the gigantic pile. You know, I'm just gonna randomly see. I think I bought this like 2 weeks ago. $8.21. So that was a Monday, pretty sure. 8. Now that had to be a Sunday. But anyway, so yeah, a couple weeks ago. This was somewhere right around the same time. I think this one's upside down. It is. Alakazam. They had my buddy bought a bunch of these. Let me buy them for he bought them for like $19.98, I think these are. Yeah, $19.98. I got this on 8/7. So this was like a Friday, I think. No, this would be a Saturday. 8/7 would be a Saturday. But yeah, he was buying them for $19.98 and then selling them for like $35-40 because they didn't put many of those out. I mean, there was a bunch of them, but like you're only allowed to buy 2, so I got them at like 3 or 4 different stores. I'm not sure how many I have, but he was like dumping them as soon as he bought them, and I'm like, I said that might actually go up. I bought a book for my mother. I bought another book for my mother. She already read it. That's how. I mean, this one I didn't even give to her yet. But it's funny. I gave her the one, and she read it in like about 9 days. It was done. Suicide Squad. This is Harley in the red and black suit. This is Harley in the red suit with the pole. Unless it's a gun, I'm not sure what that is. But yeah, I kept finding them together, so I kept buying the pairs. $11.08 and $11.11. Harley Q. This is at Barnes & Noble. The only sports they had were Chronicles football, so I'd always buy those. This was on I can't tell what that says. 8. looks like it says 8:15. I can't tell. If it was, I think it said 8:15. But the 5 was like really, really like dull. You couldn't see it good. 8:15 was a Sunday. All right. I want to get these friggin' boxes out of my back. Oh. These were drops from Target. 2 different boxes came this day. I'm not gonna take them all out. Oh, I forgot these are the mega boxes. At least a minimum of it says mega box right there. Mega box exclusive. I thought these were blasters. Got 6 mega boxes. Yeah, I was at work today and I got one of those updates that just popped up talking about 13 people killed in Kabul, suicide bomber and all that stuff. And I went to tell a guy that was sitting next to me. He's like, yeah, that's old news. I said, old news? I think it happened this morning. Thor. These are so cool. Thanos. Thor and Thanos. The TH brothers. I knew you'd like that one. Man, I can't even get to the boxes because there's stuff on top of the boxes. Like it's this. Oh. Boxes on top of boxes on top of boxes. Another Target drop. Prism football. I got this. I'm so crammed here. I want to show them to you, but I can't. I'm like smushed. Oh, I'm going to show you just so you didn't think I'm a liar. I got 3 of those here. Another box down. This big box is just killing me. Oh, what is this stuff? Oh, okay. I saw this on the shelf. I went to a store to buy cars. I think it was Pittston. And they didn't have anything. They had nothing. What the hell is going on? That's so messed up. I even said to the person, I didn't want him to touch him. He's like a young kid. He was like all disheveled and stuff. And he looked like a bum. And I said to him, I go, here, let me scan him. No, I got to scan. He grabbed them and he was like slamming them around. Like, people buy this stuff and they want it to stay pristine in pristine boxes. Thank God there's nothing wrong. But I'm looking at them like, what's wrong with these things here? I gave them to him both the same way and he like twisted and put them in all different. I couldn't figure out what the heck was going on. But yeah, he looked like a bum, this kid. He had to be, well, I don't know, maybe he was in his 30s, but I thought he was like in his early 20s or late teens or something. I didn't even want to go on his line, but it was a short line. 8/19/21. So that was last Thursday. And was it in Pittston like I thought? Nope, Taylor. Taylor is right next to Pittston. Well, 8 miles away or whatever, but Pittston Avenue goes right into Taylor. 9:57. can I please get to this big box that's bashing me in the back? My God. Where the heck did I get this stuff? How did I get so many packs of Chronicles? Alright. I got a bunch of the collegiate. I think they're called the Draft Chronicles. They're actually really sweet. I think they're pretty cheap too. They're not really expensive. And this is a tin of Slowbro. The last one they had, so I grabbed it. I don't care what it was. I don't care how much it costs. I'm just trying to get this out of here. All this stuff is just ridiculous. Bam! I do want to know where this was, and I do want to know how much it was. And it says MLB cards. That's not right. Wilkes-Barre, PA. I don't remember getting. I want to say that's from Taylor. No receipt that was in there. I think it's wrong. I think there's multiple receipts in there. Okay, this one is Dixon City. 2 hockey packs. I mean, like the Walmart's are bang, 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 like 4 or 5 of them right in a row. I just go one to the next, to the next, to the next. You know, when you go out card hunting, and you pick up whatever you think is the best thing at that store, whatever the best price, or if you don't want to spend money. I can't believe this is definitely the wrong. I do not remember getting a one 10849. Nope, 98814. See, this is the wrong receipt. I don't know. Nope, it's not that either. I don't know. Somehow this got separated with wherever I bought it from, or whatever. I don't know. Well, how about that though? I should put that up here. I don't want that to get damaged. Hey, can I finally get to it? What the heck? All right. Oh, this thing has been smashing me in the back. 1049. There it is. That's what this is from. This here. There was a day I went to Wilkes-Barre, and the lady was sort of giving me a hard time. And there was Allen and there was other stuff there. And she's like, "Is that it? That's it?" And I'm like, "Yeah, that's it." I'm thinking, "Fuck you! I'm not spending anything else." Excuse the language, but like I don't understand what's wrong with these workers. Some of them miserable bastards. And I'm allowed to get 2 things. I could have got a Pokemon. I could have got other. There was football cards. There was like in packs. There was I think Contenders and Elite. But I don't know. I just wanted to get out of there. I figured I'd buy a blaster box, and those haven't risen in price. There's a lot. Be careful out there, guys. There's a lot that have risen in price. This is a nice thing to be getting jabbed in the back over. It's another Target drop. There's 6 or 8 of them in here. Yeah, baby. More megas. 10 megabox exclusive. Why does it say 10 megabox exclusive? I don't know, but that's going to do for this video. I just wanted to make this video just to, I'm taking a ride up to the Big H to go see if I could get some stuff, so I figured I'd make a video and get the heck out of here. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching.